mga idol. Dito kami ngayon sa Ilmanan kung saan meron kaming parade. Maraming activity sa Olympic Games. Ilmanan. Gimana kita sa baba rin?
Magagayo ng mga media.
Kayo na eh. Hindi na kita, okay mo si Perry. Sige, tagdik.
Ay, kasi arit ka kayo. Di ko kayo. Ate. Ay, pa na kami sa imo. Di ba kami naman sa likod?
Tuliw.
Kami, tabayo kami ng arit.
For watching mga idol. Meron na namin mga idol. Sigurado si Caps.
Yan, hali na naman yung tinapay mo niya.
Ay, mura kita dyan maghanap yung merindalan. Bakit ka ba ng taga? Buta ka magutom.
May kamuka. Video na rin kami.
Ito kayo mga idol kung saan nagkasilipot kami ng PARS program ng bayan ng Ilmanan.
Equally hardworking and committed Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction Management Officer, Dr. Romel Pardo, sir. Our equally diligent and dedicated public servant, the Municipal Planning Officer, Development Coordinator, Sir Warren Joseph T. Doliente, sir. To our Chief of Police, to the members of the Philippine National Police, headed by our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Christian Mendoza, represented by Sir Joel, SFO for Joel Vinculado, sir, the Police Executive Master Sergeant, sir. To our active municipal, to the members of Bureau of Jail Management, headed by our active jail warden, jail inspector Melo Bigorason, sir. To our heads of various offices of LGU Libana, our dedicated volunteers from different sectors, the Kabalikat 520, yaong ba yan? Yaong ba sila, sir? Okay. To the Funong Barangays and members of the Community Fire Auxiliary Group from Barangay